This is how I cut my hair at home. No expensive salons, no waiting, no taking forever, commuting. This is what I do, and this is because I have super long hair and I don't really care what it looks like. So do this at your own risk, but I'm going to show you how I do it. It's pretty simple, easy, and fast. Okay, as you can see, my hair is super long. Okay, it is like probably like almost just a little bit above my belly button, but my hair is shedding so much. There's just like long hair everywhere and it's getting pretty annoying. So yeah, it's time to cut it as well. On the ends, it's very thinned out, very frayed. So time to cut this guy. First thing you're gonna need is a hair cutting kit. You can get this on Amazon or basically anywhere. But the main two tools you're going to need are hair shears. They're super sharp hair cutting scissors, and thinning shears. These look like kind of like a comb with a lot of teeth. And so these will kind of be the finishing move for your haircut, whereas the hair cutting shears will just cut off majority of the length. You can use the other clips and the hair apron, I don't know what you call it, but whatever, but I don't because I don't have time for that. So I'm just gonna cut my hair super fast. I do this outside. So let me show you how I prep my hair to get cut. The thing you're going to do is pull your hair into a high pony. I'm actually putting it towards the back of my head because I want the front to be longer. Some people say to put it in the middle if you want it to be like kind of like a V line. And then if you want really short layered like fringe and bangs, pull it towards the front like a unicorn. But I want the back to be longer but not super long, like a super sharp V. So I'm gonna try and just pull it to the back of my head for the cut. Okay, then basically what I'm going to do is lift it up like this, and I'm gonna cut the amount of length in front of my face this way. So you're pulling your hair towards your face. You're flipping it towards your face, basically, the ponytail, and then you're gonna cut your length. I suggest you cut a little bit at a time and then put your hair back down and check the length to make sure you like it. And you're gonna use the shears for that to cut off majority of the length. And then you're gonna use the thinning shears, the one with the teeth that kind of looks like a comb, to just kind of go in and thin out the edges. Okay, for those that need a visual demo, I'll just do this. So you're gonna hold it. I have it tied towards the back of my hair because I want the back to be a little bit not as long, but it still will be longer than the front of your fringe. Okay, so don't worry about that. And then I'm gonna take my shears, I'm gonna pinch it with my two fingers like this, and I'm just gonna go and cut under based on the length that I want. Okay, again, cut a little bit at a time. You're gonna take your thinning shears, the one with the teeth, right? Can you see this? The one with the teeth. And then you're gonna just go in and just thin it out. And then when you put it down, you can thin it out as well to your liking. So yeah, that's about it. It takes maybe like 5-10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes later, and I have cut off the desired length that I want. You can see, so you're gonna cut in a straight line. I'm just covering my face with my hair now, but just cut in a straight line and then thin out the edges. Okay, so it's relatively straight. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can kind of get away with a lot using this hair cutting technique. And then I'll show you the reveal. Let's shake it out. Okay, you can see now, well, I'm using one hand, but hopefully you can tell. If I split my hair evenly, that it comes out in perfect layers. Can you see that? And now my hair is, you still have the length. Like I said, you're still going to keep the length, but you're just going to refresh and relayer. If you want to cut the back more, you can make a separate ponytail, like split it from your ear, the back of your ear, and make a ponytail. Don't cut that, and then make another ponytail with the back hair and put in the back up and cut the back a little bit shorter. But this is fine for me. So let me stand up so you can see. So before my hair was like down to my belly button, and now it's a couple inches shorter, but it still looks long enough, but my hair is a lot lighter. Like I cut off a lot of hair. Okay, so it doesn't look like it, but feels 5 pounds lighter. So yeah, that is how I cut my hair in less than 10 minutes at home by myself. If you found this video helpful, please share this video with someone that you think may need it. Save this video for future reference, heart it, like it, and follow me for more weird content.